Hi everybody, it's Gina Bell from East Coast Mommy, and I have some fantastic Easter freebies and dollar store DIYs for you today. First up is a fun wreath using this dollar store wire wreath frame and these leftover dollar store signs from Valentine's Day. First, you need to wrap the egg wreath form in something. I use this macrame cord that I had in my stash. I think I got it on Amazon, but you could use yarn or cord from dollar store. So I tied mine on just to make it extra secure and secured it also with a little bit of hot glue. And then I just started wrapping it around the wreath, securing it periodically with more hot glue. When the entire wreath was covered, I cut off the end and I secured that really well with hot glue too. I set my wreath aside and I grabbed my pink arrow sign and I unscrewed the little hanger from the top. Then I gave the sign a couple of coats of pink craft paint. Then I grabbed a little bunny ornament and I painted it blue. But then I decided I didn't like the blue, so I ended up taking a different one and painting it with 2 coats of white paint, and I liked it much better. When everything was dry, I decided to add the words bunny trail to my arrow. I used my Cricut, but if you don't have a Cricut, you could paint them on, or you could use some dollar store stickers. Then it was time to put the whole thing together. I took some hot glue, put it on the back of the bunny and stuck it to my sign. Then I grabbed some ribbon from my craft stash. I love this little black and white gingham ribbon. I made a little bow, put some glue on the back and stuck it to the neck of the bunny. I used some hot glue to attach the sign to the wreath form and added a bit of ribbon to the top, and that was it for this one. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I'm so glad I went with the white bunny instead of the blue bunny. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The next DIY is super simple and it uses some wooden beads and really cute egg ornaments that I found at my local dollar store. So the first thing you do is you string wooden beads onto a piece of twine. I have a embroidery needle that I use. If you don't have that, you can put a little bit of duct tape on the end to make it go through easier. Then I just grabbed a bunch of ornaments and cut the top off, use the hanger to tie them to my bead garland, and that's all I did. I love the simplicity of this garland and the colors just scream spring to me. Next up is a DIY that isn't even really a DIY. I designed all of these prints and you can download them for free on my blog, East Coast Mommy, and I will leave the link in the description below. And you just pop them in frames that you already have. I used these dollar store frames that I found. They're 11 by 14, so they're nice and big, and I love them. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I have lots of really fun Easter stuff planned. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.